Right guys, so we're back with another video, and today we're playing Forza again. Yesterday we played Watch Dogs, and I got a sick gun I think, and yeah, let's go right into it. Yeah guys. Right, so where do we leave off? We left off, we had just finished the road trip, and we're about to do some races. So let's go right into it. Oh, for the first half of the game, I didn't know that. There's arrows. Well, I knew to follow them, but whenever they went red, I just turned because it was a corner. For half the game, well, half of what I've already played, I thought that it was you had to just turn, but actually you have to brake. I found that out halfway through. Right, guys, we have to enter the heat. That is the races. Oh, Jesus. Oh, I'm so used to watchdog driving because I would do that all the time. But it's not looking around, I don't think. Right. Let's see if we can hit 100 in this bad boy. Okay. I'm going to take this seriously for one time. Okay. But I need to take it seriously. Get as fast as I can. Let me just turn around quickly. No. Okay, I don't know why I'm taking this so seriously because this bad boy's hitting 80 already. But we'll have him hit 100. Oh my god, that is fast. Right, here we go. A 100. Oh, 118. That's what I literally just did. Oh, it's only gone that way. So I can just do that. Is that actually like, can I do donuts? And it would take away part of the field. Oh, it does as well. Could I do donuts though? Oh yeah, you can. It's on a hill though. Right. Wrong way. Do I get like stuff for destroying stuff? I guess not. Bad bushy. Woo! Jeez. Right, I'm uploading a video, it's only halfway done because that's bad uploading speed on iPhone. Oh, did that just happen? No. I thought I'd cancelled it. It's not even halfway. Right. I'm so used to closing everything in my, like, thing. What's it called? Like when you double tap the double hit the home button and then it comes up with your thing, everything you've been on. I close all of them all the time, and I'm so not used to like uploading because I closed it like 5 times and had to restart it.
If the horizon meets.
Okay. Okay. I just need to do one thing.
I have a pen.
Okay. Right, anyway, I just wanted to do that. It's just random 5 million times. You're going down, suckers. I'll finish in the top 1 if it takes me a lifetime. Damn, son. Jeez, this Watch Dogs driving is unreal. Oh, it's because I just did a cyber driver thing. It's on Kyle's channel. Kyle's Crud. A mission I did, like, in my Gaming Garlic account on YouTube. What am I in? Top, oh geez, top 6. Oh yeah, it's because I'm rewind once. Yeah, I'm gonna try not rewind. Okay. Oh no, you don't. Naughty boy. Oh great, there's a corner just when I'm gaining speed. I know that. Think. No. Don't you glitch on me. Race is halfway done. Okay. I failed my challenge. Oh yes, bye bye. Oh great. How fast is he going like? I feel like the BMW would have been a better choice. Cause I used to rewind all the time. If I did that, rewind. Can't touch this. No. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna try stay on the road. Naughty boy. I will catch up with you. Honey, no. Oh. Oh, do I actually have to restart this race? No, I'm restarting. I need to get every single thing first. No. Can I at least restart the race? Does it not let you? That's great. Don't accept being second. That's what I feel like. Cause it's like right, yo. Oh great. Road trip. Oh my god. You came first. I'll beat that. Still podium. Ooh, that is not nice. Oh, this isn't a race, is it? Ooh. You're bad luck. Oh my god, I'm so into Watch Dogs playing. You see this? I keep going like that. Cause it's what you do. Watch Dogs to do something. Oh. following people. I'm fine actually.
I believe I can fly.
Yes. Fly.
I believe I can touch the sky.
You will fly for me.
Think about it every night and day.
Yes, that's more like it. Nice.
I believe I can fly.
Okay. Yeah. Right guys, hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you next one. Bye.